Hello and welcome to the course for learning serverless app development with Node.js and Azure Functions. This is Iman Hassan, your instructor through the course, a Microsoft certified software developer with more than 8 years of experience in software development and extensive hands-on work in cloud computing, especially using Microsoft Azure. And in this special course, you will learn the concept of serverless application that is becoming very popular and practical in lots of business cases. And we will use specifically Azure Functions to introduce this using Node.js. So we will start in the first section with what is Azure and how to get started with it and get familiar with Azure Portal. Then in the second section, we will learn by practice to build our first Azure function using Node.js and explore different ways of testing our functions. Then the third section is a walkthrough step by step to build and integrate an e-commerce serverless application from scratch. After that, in the fourth section, we will learn how to introduce third-party tools to our serverless application, like Stripe.js for adding a payment portal to our application to be able to purchase orders and process payments. Then in the fifth section, we will learn to integrate SendGrid for email notifications and build a scheduled notification for our submitted orders using timer trigger type of Azure Functions. And finally, in section 6, we will explore different ways of deploying our serverless application and have it work live on the internet with much less time and effort. To get maximum benefit from this course, you will need to have prior knowledge in JavaScript and HTML basics, and of course, Node.js basics. And by the end of this course, you will have good understanding of the serverless concept and how it works. You will have practical knowledge on how to build Azure functions and integrate and manage them smoothly. You will get comfortable with SendGrid and Stripe.js usage along with Azure Functions. You will also get familiar with Azure Cosmos DB, which we will use for data storage for our serverless application, and you will learn how easily you can integrate it with Azure Functions. And finally, this course will get you to start taking practical steps in the Microsoft Azure journey to the cloud. So let's not wait anymore and have our journey started.